Hi guys, how to download eFootball on PC or laptop. Now open the Steam desktop application on your PC or laptop. Note if you don't have Steam, you must download and install it from the official website first. Don't skip this, or nothing else will work. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the Steam Store page, locate the search bar, type in eFootball, and press enter. Spelling it exactly right matters here, or you might end up on a fake listing. Look through the search results carefully to avoid advertisements and click on the official eFootball game title to open its main store page. Here's a common mistake. Sponsored results often appear first, so always check the publisher name before clicking. Scroll down the game's store page until you locate the green Play Game button, then click it to open the installation menu. This button means the game is free to play, so you won't be charged. Review the storage requirements, pick an installation drive on your PC that has enough free space, and click install and accept to begin downloading the game.